Mostly I use hypochlorite is the most important liquid in our daily practice that we can clean the root canal system, kill all the bacteria, and prepare the canal to obturation in 3 dimension. My name is Piotr Puchała. I came from Poland. I am endodontist and surgeon, and now I am the president of Polish Academy of Aesthetic Dentistry. Here I am to upgrade the information, especially about obturation, because since last year we have in Europe a new bioceramic sealer, BioRoot Flow, and I will be talk about the obturation and about this new product. It will be really upgrade in endodontic treatment. My presentation will be about upgrade endodontic, and I will share with you the 3 parts of the presentation. And the first part will be preparation and about new files I used in my daily office. And the second will be about the cleaning, about the disinfection. And the third part will be about obturation in 3 dimension, especially with bioceramic sealer. About disinfection is the I can talk many hours, but here we have a lecture 1.5 that I will be a short presentation, but mostly I use hypochlorite is the most important liquid in our daily practice that we can clean the root canal system, kill all the bacteria, and prepare the canal to obturation in 3 dimension. There can be many mistakes in root canal treatment because each step from preparation, cleaning, disinfection, and obturation, we can do many mistakes. During my presentation, I will show the simply way, step by step, how to avoid problems. I try to show how we can make the root canal treatment easy. When we have a good protocol, when we have good sequence, step by step, we can do root canal treatment predictable and safe for us and for the patient. A lot of people, yes, a great organization, a great congress. It will be great fun for me to have lecture here. Each dental congress is the big part of knowledge. Every dentist should be here to upgrade knowledge about aesthetic, about endodontic. We have here a session about implantology. All part of our treatment in daily practice will be here in some lectures that you should be here.